Hello, my friends, and welcome back. Today I get to share with you the reveal for the January 2020 club kit for Club La La Land Crafts. And once my package arrived, of course, I ran straight to the camera so that I could unbox it and get started. So it shows up in this beautiful gold foil packaging, and inside you're going to get two little packages here. One will have your dies and one will have your gorgeous red rubber stamps. So we're going to start by taking a look at the stamps, and this month is a Valentine's Day theme. We have, get everything out of the packaging here, and I'm going to stamp them out for you so you can see them really good, but we have Marcy with a pen, and then the little piggies, those adorable little piggies are called Happy Mail. So let's stamp out Marcy and we can take a good look at all of her sentiments. I can get it out of the little thing here. So here we have just a note. I'm grateful for you. A little note to say, I miss you, I love you. So she's super cute. Super, super cute. And now we'll do the little Happy Mail. So these little piggies here, aren't they just adorable? I love that scooter. Special delivery, you've got Happy Mail, sending my love, and hugs enclosed are your sentiments on this one. And the project that I made with these is super cute. So let's take a peek at your dies this month. So we've got this one, which is called Envelopes Border. You've got the mailbox, ink with pen, and then the with love label. I'm going to die cut all these out so you can see what they look like. So we have here is the border, and those little hearts pop out so you can add different colored hearts inside your border. Your mailbox, here it is with the hearts popped out, and then the white one with them in, and this little flap opens and it has a little perforated edge at the bottom for you to fold it over. There's the with love. Here is the bottle of ink, and the little heart also pops out of that one, so you can change it up. And then the little pen also has, look at that little heart, that also pops out, so you can change the color there. So here's everything that comes in your club kit for this month, and we're just going to get started with our first card. So Marcy with pen, I colored her in using my Copic markers. All the coloring details will be on the blog. And we're going to get started. I picked out this cream card base because my paper here is the Yes Please from My Mind's Eye, and it has a cream base to it. So that's why I picked out a cream colored card base. And now I've got all of my stuff together. We're using, first I'm going to add the top panel, and I made it 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 because I didn't see any reason to have that border around it since it has the same colors to it. And now I'm going to take this one, which is the scalloped rectangle die, and I've cut it out twice, once from the black and then once from the pattern paper. And now I'm just going to trim off following the perforated edge all the way around all 4 sides, and that will make it so that it sits beautifully right inside of the black panel that I've already cut with the same die. And then you'll have your nice border all the way around. And so I'm just going to attach that, one panel on top of the other, and then set that one aside. And I'm going to do the same exact thing with the tag. So this one I'm using, these are called the large stitched tags, but this one is, I want to say, like the third one, like kind of the middle sized one. I've also cut out a tag topper, which also comes in that same kit there. And I used some really, really sparkly gold sparkle paper. And now here are, I'm going to set that one aside because I'm not quite ready for that. Now we're going to play with the ink pen and the ink bottle. So I cut it out from the gold paper glitter. I couldn't think of the word. I just thought of the word gold glitter paper. And I've also cut it out from black cardstock and then from that same pattern paper pack. I thought of the black polka dots on the pen would be super cute. So I'm going to place the little black heart in the middle, and when I bring it up close to you, you can see it. It looks like I'm really far away right here, but look at that little heart in there. Isn't that adorable? And then I'm going to make like a shadow in the back, only because my pattern paper is so busy. I don't want my pen to get lost in there, so I thought maybe adding this little bit of a shadow with that piece in the back would help it stand out a little bit better against the background. So there's the pen all completed. And now we're going to make the ink bottle. And I'm just going to kind of trim off some of the gold paper and kind of place it in the bottle so it kind of looks like the ink is gold. But then once I put it in there, I realized that it was still too much black in the bottle. So what I did was I also did the same thing with where the rubber stopper would be, which would normally be black, but I made it gold because I thought it looked better that way. I'm also going to take that heart that I popped out of the back one and do the same thing. Put it right on top where the heart goes, on top of the glitter paper. All these little details just make make these cards just, I mean, they come alive. They're just so pretty. Now I'm gonna attach where the black rubber would be, it's gonna be gold. And now I still felt like it needed some more. So I took my Jane Davenport, and this is a gold sparkle pen, and I'm just going over the embossed detail in the ink pen. And it's not super evident on my video, but when you see the card in person, it definitely, you can see that very well. So now I'm going to trim down the border because I want it to go across this panel. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut right along the perforated edges of each one of these. And you'll see in my second card, when I'll show you the second card after we're done with this one, which is a club subscriber project. So that'll be available in your Dropbox if you are a subscriber. Um, Anyways, you can cut these apart and just use them separately. So you have the ability to make a whole bunch of cute little envelopes to use in your, sorry, the dogs are, they're scratching at the door because they know I'm in here, but I have the door shut. So I'm just going to attach all of my layers. And I took that stitched circle, they're the nested circles, and I took one of them and I just used this. I really thought that this paper was pretty and it would give me some more in the background to kind of have my pieces setting on top of it. So I just cut it in half and then stuffed it on either side of the tag. Now I'm going to pop up my ink bottle and my pen. And then I'll pop up Marcy right in the middle. And then I've got two of the sentiments, which I also backed. I double backed them. So a little note to say is on black cardstock and then the glitter cardstock as well. And then the I love you, I did the same thing. Both of those I'm going to pop up and place on my card base. And now that I think about it, I should have done the sentiments in that cream color instead of white. But oh well, there's a white border around Marcy, so there's, at least there is some white on this card. And that is going to do it for this card. I think it came out really cute. I love all of these little elements that come in these kits that make them just stand out. So now I'm going to show you real quick. Here is the one we just completed. And then I'm going to show you the one that's in the subscriber only, so you can take a peek at this and see what you want to go over to your Dropbox and check out. So this is a bridge card, and I used all of these adorable little pieces in here, and you can see the mailbox with the flap open, and then I've got the little letters. This folds flat so it can go in an envelope, and then when your recipient receives it, they can open it up and then set it right there on their desk or wherever they can see it. And then I used all the sentiments here: sending my love, special delivery, you've got Happy Meal. Use the border along the bottom. Got all my little piggies there all colored in. And then the paper pack that I used is one of the Christmas paper packs from Club La La Land. And I will have all of the links listed on my blog with links right to the shop, so you can find everything that you're looking for that wasn't a part of your kit if you want to make this. And I want to thank you guys so much for stopping by. I know you guys are going to love this kit. It's absolutely adorable. And I will see you again real soon with some more projects from La La Land Crafts. Have a great day. Bye-bye.